Alright, to achieve this, the first thing you want to do, come to stickers, then shapes. You have a lot of shapes to choose from. For this video, I will choose the square shape and click and drag it to the timeline. Extend the duration of the shape to somewhere around 8 seconds right here. Next, adjust the shape to an area you want. For me, I will drag here, then I will minimize it. But I want the corners to be round, to be a rounded rectangle. So what I will do, I will click on it. You'll see some dots here. There are 4 dots. Click on any of the dots. You can click here, you can click here. Then click on any of them and drag them inward a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, the corners has been rounded, so this has given me a rounded rectangle. Alright, so the next thing is to add your default text. Come to the text tab, then click and drag the default text and change it here to something that you want. For me, I will type the name of my shiny here. Alright, so I will change the font to something that I want. Everything will look like this. Next, extend the text to fit the duration of this one here. Next, return back to the rectangular shape, which is this one under here. Click on Alt key and drag to duplicate it. Alright, select this middle one here. This very one here, this middle one, select it. Then come to this right corner. Then scroll down. You see 2 options, opacity, another one again, opacity. Don't use this one, use this one right here under fill. Now at the opacity, turn it to 0. At the color option, you can choose any color that you want under fill, but for me, I want it to be dark gray. Coming down to the next option that says stroke, keep it check. Go down again, go to color, then choose any color you want. For me, I will choose pink. You can increase the weight. Right now it is 4, you can increase it to 5 or something 6. Alright, you will get something like this. Next, go down, select the down one here. Do the same thing, go to fill. For the color, still leave it at dark gray. Then opacity, let's reduce it to our liking. Let's say somewhere around 60. Next, select this middle one right here. Then go to right click. Then create compound clip. Next, make sure this middle clip is still being selected. Go to the video category. Then mask. Then add mask. Then choose this option that says film strip. Now rotate the film strip mask to somewhere like this. Just make it diagonal. That will make it to look attractive. Now reduce the width of this diagonal by pushing it inward a little, just to make it look fancy. Alright, just keep in mind that if you look at the edges of these 2 lines here, bottom and the top, they do not just blend, they are just solid. So what I want to do is to make them blend. Click on it, then come to this option, this down arrow here, drag it downward. Fine, you can see the edges are now blended to make it look smooth. Alright, so the next thing is to create the animation. Move the play A to anywhere you want the animation to start. For me, I want it to start at the beginning of the video, so I will move it to the beginning. Now come to this right corner. Make sure that this middle clip is still being selected. Don't forget, come to this right corner, then look for max setting. Then you see this diamond shape to add keyframe. Click on it to add your face keyframe. Now move the play here to the end of the clip or anywhere that you want the animation to end. For me, I want the animation to end at the end of the video, so I'll put it somewhere here. Go to keyframe again, add a second keyframe. The next thing I want to do is to rotate this mask 3 times so that this line keep moving keep moving in looping order. So what I will do, come to this option that says rotate. 1, rotate again. 2, rotate again. 3. So I've successfully rotated it into 3 times. Alright, let's check it out. When you are done editing your video, you can click on export. Then you want to export it and add it to any other video that you want to create as a kind of intro to capture your viewers. Alright guys, so this all come to the end of today's video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one, and drop your comment down below.